Welcome. Today, we're walking through how you can set your Gmail inbox back to the default view. This is perfect if you want your emails sorted into familiar categories like primary, social, and promotions, making it easier to stay on top of what matters. Whether you're on mobile or using Gmail through your web browser, these steps are quick and simple. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you're on a computer, head to Gmail through your favorite browser. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top left corner for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap or click that to bring up the main menu options. Next, scroll down until you find Settings. This is where you'll control how your Gmail behaves. If you have multiple Gmail accounts signed in, you'll see them listed separately here. Make sure to choose the account you want to adjust. Tap or click on that email address to open its specific settings. Once inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section called Inbox Type. This setting controls how your inbox displays and organizes your emails. You may see options like Important First, Unread First, or Starred First. But for that traditional look, you want to select Default Inbox. Tap or click Default Inbox to confirm your choice. Once you've done this, Gmail will automatically reorganize your emails using the default view. Your primary tab will hold personal and important emails, social will gather updates from networks, and promotions will stack marketing messages neatly out of the way. This adjustment works instantly. You can back out of settings now, and your inbox will reflect the change. No need to restart anything. Just continue checking your mail as usual, but now with a cleaner, more familiar layout. Setting your Gmail to default inbox can help you keep things organized and save time every day. It's small changes like this that make a big difference in managing your email flow. So, whenever your inbox feels cluttered or too segmented, now you know exactly how to bring it back to a clean, balanced default view.